Peace and blessings to you all. Don't let the shadows from your past darken the doorsteps for your future. And no matter what life throws at you, keep your head high and your mood higher. Go on and embrace you. Have a wonderful Wednesday to you all. Peace, y'all.
Go on, embrace your glow. I'm talking about self-love. I'm talking about self-love. I'm talking about spoil you. I'm talking about working out. You feel good about